I think I messed up. But it's not just me. It's all of us. We've been led astray by a system that was supposed to guide us to health but has instead driven us into a pit of chronic diseases. Turns out our food system is making us sick. Here's how. The food pyramid, once a beacon of nutritional guidance, has become a symbol of our dietary downfall. Picture this, 60 to 100 different chronic diseases, all linked to what we eat. Obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even some cancers. The list goes on and on. And it's not just about the diseases themselves, but the quality of life they steal from us. Experts say it all boils down to metabolic dysfunction. But what exactly is metabolic dysfunction? It's a term that encompasses a range of issues, from insulin resistance to chronic inflammation, all stemming from the way our bodies process food. But what does that mean? It means our bodies are struggling to handle the onslaught of unhealthy foods we're consuming. It means our cells are crying out for help, but we're not listening. It's simple. Poor metabolic health creates a domino effect, leading to chronic conditions. One issue leads to another, and before we know it, we're trapped in a cycle of illness and medication. And guess what's at the core of this dysfunction? Our food system. The very system designed to nourish us is now the root cause of our health problems. The over-reliance on processed foods, packed with refined grains, seed oils, and sugars, has turned us into a nation of metabolic chaos. These foods are cheap, convenient, and heavily marketed, but they're also slowly killing us. But wait, there's more. It's not just about the physical toll. Our mental health is suffering too. Anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues are on the rise, and our diet plays a significant role in this. Poor gut health, fueled by our nutrient-void foods, contributes to a mental health crisis. The gut-brain connection is real, and when our gut is unhealthy, our mind suffers. It's a vicious cycle of being overfed and undernourished. We may consume plenty of food to fill our stomachs, but when those foods are devoid of the nutrients our bodies need to function properly, we suffer. It's a paradox. We're surrounded by food, yet we're starving for nutrition. Our bodies are crying out for real wholesome food, but we're feeding them nutrient-poor foods. It's time to change the system. Demand better. Eat smarter. We need to take control of our health by making informed choices about what we eat. Because our health depends on it. Our future depends on it. Let's break the cycle. Together. By supporting local farmers, choosing whole foods, and educating ourselves and others, we can create a healthier world for ourselves and future generations.